Terry, the flight lead, and it's our pleasure to welcome you all on board today. On today's flight we've also got Emma, Christine, Victoria and Jeremy. If there's anything that we can do for you, don't hesitate, please let us know. Special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of the other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with a smoke detector. Our British Airways Wi-Fi is available for this flight. To connect to the network, visit shop.bailiwick.com to discover the offers available. To keep you up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination, or tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky,